Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add emojis and icons or symbols to your channel name. First of all, what you have to do is just open up the Discord in your laptop or PC and then right click on Discord and then right click on the channel you want to add emojis to, then select edit channel. Make sure you are on the overview settings, then select the channel name box. Use the arrow keys to move to where you want the emoji or icon. Press the Windows and period key on your keyboard. On a Mac, you can press Ctrl, Command, and Space at the same time. You will now have the emoji keyboard open. At the top, you will have a series of different categories to choose from. Select the emoji category, then scroll through and find the emoji you want to add, or just use the search bar to find the correct emoji. To add a symbol, go back and select the symbols category. Scroll down and click on symbol to add it to your channel name. You can then copy the symbol or emoji to add it to other channel names if you like. Save changes and then close, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.